guys, today I'm gonna do a woodshop car. I'm gonna open it. And do you know we made a burr bead with this? Let's open this up. Open this up. I just have to peel it. That's it. Done. Easy. Okay, let's see what pieces we have. So we have this glue stick. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Start making it, and we have to read the instructions, of course, to read it. We have some 4 steps here. So first what we have to do is we have this kind of hole. We're gonna put like this kind of hole right like this. So we just have to put this in, and then the wheels go here, like inside. So that's why it has to go in this one direction. And the same thing for this, it's gonna go like this. A little fringe. Yeah, right here. That's what my instruction says. Now I'm gonna glue them. Okay, now we're gonna just glue them. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, I don't really want to squeeze more. Let's just spread it around instead. That's much more better. Okay, just a little bit. Now, I'm just gonna spread everywhere. Now mix, mix, mix. It's like we're making something maybe. Oh, frosting. This looks like frosting. I'm gonna use this brush so we spread it a little more good. And with that. Okay, now I'm just gonna put that aside. Wait. Okay, now we're gonna stick it. There we go. Now this part. We have to put these inside these. Okay, now this one. There. Now we're gonna glue in the wheels. Okay, a little bit here. Mix it a little bit so it spreads everywhere. There. Now I'm gonna put it in. I don't think this is really going to do it because I can't really see anything. I am done. Okay, now I'm going to do the nether parts we have over here. So step 3 needs a lot of pieces, but we have 1 piece here left. Maybe that's for step 4. These piece is going to go right here, like this. Okay, let me glue it. I'm going to put a little, like a bit here. And a little bit here. Now the brush. Spread. Now it's getting spreaded a little bit. And there. That's enough spreading. Okay, now I'm going to stick it right here. There we go. That's perfect. Now the other side is the same thing. We just have to do it. Make this side. Okay, we're gonna stick this piece here. I think that's perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do these pieces like this. This bottom part with glue. I forgot we had the spreading brush. Okay, and this is gonna go like this. Okay, this is step 4. Just have to put glue here. You can even sit in this box. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button. Touch and you can watch all of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye!